Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Calculus problems like this integral function are actually quite simple if you follow the right steps. Let's find those relative extrema together right now.
First, we apply the fundamental theorem of calculus to find the derivative of our function. This means the derivative is simply the expression inside the integral evaluated at the variable x. Next, we look for where this derivative equals 0 on our interval. By checking values like -4 and 0, we see the sign changes indicating roots exist for our function. Analyzing growth confirms exactly 3 sign changes. This results in 3 relative extrema, making option C correct. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs to avoid a rush. Trust given data and check your steps.